Hello everyone, welcome back for yoga session with High Commission of India, Windhoek. So today let us start with
37 seconds.
So I hope you are all well today after Friday's session, and you have practiced some during Saturday and Sunday as well. So let us also go very slow today as well till your body gets accustomed to the stretches. Okay, let us start the session with prayer. Please come to Namaskara Mudra. Close your eyes, straighten your back, relax your shoulders. Listen to the sounds outside. The sounds of the traffic, the sounds of the music. Very slowly shift your attention towards your breathing. Observe your breath. Observe how your body moves when you breathe in and breathe out. Very gently shift your attention towards your mind. Observe your thoughts. Let the thoughts come and go. Do not engage in any one thought. Just be an observer. Breathing deeply and Omkara followed by prayer. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Go down and come up and gently release the arms and open your eyes. This prayer is in Sanskrit. It means Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Let all be happy. Sarve santu niramaya. Let everybody be healthy. Ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhave. That is, let nobody feel any grief. So this is wishing everybody a very healthy and mentally, physically and mentally in both way healthy life. Okay, now please sit in any cross-legged posture or any comfortable posture. See, what I am doing is I am folding the left leg and placing the right leg above in between the thigh and my calf muscle, or you can fold the right leg and take the left leg in between the calf muscle and the thigh. Release your buttocks and sit straight. Now very slowly take the right hand behind you, left hand on the right knee, breathing then straight in the back and breathe out and twist. Push the right shoulder back, pull the left shoulder forward and twist. Breathe in and release the arms and untwist. Breathe out, take the right hand on the left knee, left hand back. Breathe in and straighten the back and breathe out and twist. Every time you breathe out, twist a little bit more. Breathe in and release the arms and untwist. Relax your shoulders. Relax your face. Have a smile on the face. We'll go for Kapalabhati, cleansing practice of our upper respiratory tract. Sit comfortably. If it is difficult for you to sit in this posture, you can sit on chair till we finish the pranayama, till we come to pranayama state. So now, make sure your back is straight, neck and your head. Back, neck and head are in one single straight line. Relax your shoulders, open the chest. Place the palms on your knees. You can go for any mudra. I am going for Chin Mudra, wherein I am gently touching the thumb to the index finger and the other fingers are straight. There is slight depression in the palm and I am placing it palm facing upside on the knee. Now relax, breathing deeply and breathe out with force. Breathing deeply, I am just placing my one hand on my chest and the other on my abdomen just to show you how the movement should be. There should not be any movement on the chest, whereas the abdomen goes inside. Okay, now very slowly, those who are newcomers go for 20 counts and those who have been practicing Kapalabhati, they can go for 40 counts. So let us start. Breathing deeply and start. After 40 counts, relax, breathing deeply and breathe out. Once more, deep breathe in and start second round of Kapalabhati. After 40 counts, relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Once more, deep breathe in and breathe out. Once again, breathing deeply and start third round of Kapalabhati. After 40 counts, relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Enjoy the lightness of your head. Now very slowly, keep the left hand in Jnana Mudra. Open your eyes. Check the right hand. I am going for Nasika Mudra. Two last fingers separated, thumb separated and the middle two fingers joined together. Now very gently bend the middle two fingers and slightly bring the last two fingers and thumb a little bit near. Or if it is difficult for you to bend the middle two fingers, you can keep the fingers straight and with your right thumb close the right nostril. Close your eyes and breathe in and breathe out from your left nostril. Check your posture, straighten your back, lift the back up. Very slow, deep breathe in and breathe out. Do not press the nose very tightly. Just very lightly press the thumb to the nostril so that it closes like a flower petal. Very gentle, deep breathe in and breathe out. Stretch the breathe out. Very gently release the right nostril. Close the left nostril with your ring finger and little finger. Same hand. Keep your face relaxed. Keep the forehead relaxed. Have a smile on the face. Close the left nostril and breathe in and breathe out from your right nostril. Very slowly release the arm, bring it back on the knee. Keep your eyes closed and observe your breath. Very gently open your eyes. Bring the arms by the side of the body. Take the right hand to the right side, left hand above your head and stretch. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out. Left hand to the left side, right hand above your head and stretch. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out. Bring the arms front and very slowly crawl forward and stretch. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out. Take the arms back. Breathe in and lift your pelvis up and relax your head back. Breathe out and very slowly come back. Release the legs. Now we'll go for loosening exercises, Sukshma Vyayama. These are very important in terms, they kind of warm us up for all the stretches we are going to do later. So we'll start with the toes. Relax. Place the palms on the back and relax. Now very slowly curl the toes inside and relax them. Curl the toes inside and relax. Inside, relax. Inside, relax. Inside, relax. Inside, relax. Now very gently, breathe in, ankle joint, stretch the toes out and toes back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And relax, separate the legs. Breathe in and toes out and breathe out and toes in. 2, press the toes inside as much as possible. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And relax, bring the legs together, stretch the toes and very slowly ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4. These warm-up exercises can be done either sitting or on the standing posture as well. So tomorrow we'll do the standing warm-up exercises. And stop and opposite. Relax, loosen the ankle joints. Now very slowly pull the right toes back, push the heel out, tighten the right knee. Breathe out and lift the right leg up and down. As much as it is comfortable, it is not mandatory to lift it as high as possible. Okay, just keep pushing the heel out and pull the toes inside and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And relax. Left leg, pull the toes back, push the heel out, tighten the left knee. Breathe out and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tighten the knee. 9 and 10. And relax. Now very slowly come back to Sthiti. We'll give a little bit of warm up to our hip joint. Bring the right leg to right side. Fold it to the side and bring the left leg inside near the right thigh. Now breathe in and lift the arms up. Lift your spine up. Stretch the spine up. Now very slowly turn to right side. Bring the palms down. Now knees in the center and palms are by the side of the body, by the side of the knee. Now very slowly straighten your back and breathe out and crawl forward as much as it is comfortable. If you are not able to crawl forward, keep the palms wherever you can reach. Keep the back straight and try to go forward as much as possible. It is not mandatory to go completely towards perfection. It is always a slow process towards the perfection. But what is important is the continuity, the abhyasa, that is repetition. So extend as much as possible. Breathe in and come up. Bring the arms up. Breathe out, turn to left side. Palms on the ground and very slowly crawl forward. And relax your abdomen on your thigh. Relax. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out, bring the arms down. Take the palms back. Breathe in and very slowly you have to lie down on your back as much as possible. Now very slowly place the palms back and relax your head. If you are comfortable, gently lift the right hand, place the right elbow, lift the left hand, place the left elbow and relax. If you are still comfortable with doing this posture, then release the elbows and lie down on your back. Relax, relax your back, relax your thighs, relax the knee and your ankle joint. Relax. Breathe out and very slowly come up. Elbows on the ground, palms on the ground. Now hold the posture. Do not release the posture. Very slowly take the right hand back, left hand on the right knee. Breathe in and straighten the back and breathe out and twist. Breathe in and release the arms and untwist. Breathe out and release the legs. Relax. Loosen the knee joints, loosen the ankle joints. Counter posture. Come back to Sthiti again. Bring the left leg to left side. Right leg to left thigh. Release your buttocks and sit straight. Breathe in and arms up. Lift your spine up. Breathe out. Turn to left side. Palms on the ground. Bring the palms on the either side of the knee. And very slowly stretch forward as much as it is comfortable. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out, turn to the right side, palms on the ground and very slowly crawl forward and relax your abdomen on your thigh. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out, bring the arms down. Take the palms back. Breathe in and very slowly go back. Very gently. Elbows on the ground. Release the elbows. Lie down on your back. Relax. Breathe out and very slowly come up. Elbows on the ground. Palms on the ground. Now hold the posture. Do not release the posture. Take the right hand on the left knee. Left hand back. Breathe in and straighten the back and breathe out and twist. Breathe in and release the arms and untwist. Breathe out and release the legs. It is not important to get the posture exactly right, but it is important to keep trying to do it as much as possible. Okay? Relax. Come back to Dandasana. Dandasana is a sthiti or starting posture for any sitting postures. We'll go for Vakrasana. Very slowly bend the right leg, place it on near the left knee. Take the right hand behind. I'll sit in oblique so that you can make out the posture. Take the right hand back. Now very slowly breathing the left hand up. Stretch, pull the spine up. Breathe out, bend the elbow, interlock the elbow to the knee. Now push the knee out inside a little bit. Straighten your back. Feel the twist near the abdomen. You have to feel the twist near the abdomen and the lower back. You should not bring your chest front. Okay? You should twist from the abdomen. Now, if it is difficult for you to straighten the arm, hold the arm like this. It is fine. If you can, very gently try. Let it come anywhere. Okay? Even if it is up, then slowly as you practice, you can twist and bring the palm and hold the ankle joint. Check my left foot. It is not relaxed. It is up. Toes pointing up. Tighten the left knee. Okay? Now very slowly breathe in and straighten the back and breathe out and twist towards the right side. Now push your right shoulder back. Breathe in and breathe out normally in the final posture. Breathe out and very slowly release the arms and release the legs. Relax in Dandasana. It is very important to relax after every posture. Now very slowly come back to Sthiti. We'll go for counter posture. Bend the left leg, place it by the left foot by the right knee. Right knee tightened and toes up. Now very slowly take the left hand back. Breathe in and right hand up. Stretch and lift your body. Breathe out, bend the elbow, interlock the elbow to the knee. Push the knee inside slightly and then straighten the arm and breathe out and twist and look back. Breathe in and very slowly release the arms. Breathe out and straighten the leg. Relax. Come back to Sthiti again. We'll go for Paschimottanasana. So today I have with me this belt. It is an old belt. You can take anything which is having a little bit of, which is strong and sturdy. So you can have any old belt of a bag or anything that for that matter. Okay, to start with, if it is difficult for you to sit in this posture, what you can do is, you can place the pillow and sit on the pillow, just edge of the pillow. Do not sit completely on the pillow. Just your buttocks should be half on the pillow. Okay. Now tighten the knees, and with the belt, what you can do is, you can put the belt to your feet. Now straighten your back. We'll go for Paschimottanasana. Place the belt here. Breathe in and arms up. Lift your spine up. Breathe out and very slowly start bending forward and bring the arms down. Now I am stopping here. My back is straight. My head is up, chin up. Now very slowly tighten the knees and try to press the abdomen towards the thighs. Now if it is difficult for you, you can hold the legs wherever you are comfortable. Now straighten the leg, straighten the back, breathe out and push the abdomen towards the thigh and crawl forward. Breathe out and push the abdomen down and crawl forward like this. So if it is difficult to crawl forward, what you can do is, you can hold down to the belt. Straighten, breathe out and go down as much as possible. Hold on to the belt. Do not bend your head inside yet. Okay? Keep the head up. We want to keep the upper back straight. So go down. Hold. If you can go down completely, if you can reach your toes, make hook-like structure with your index finger and middle finger and hook the big toe. Breathe in and straighten the back and breathe out and bend. Push the abdomen towards the ground. Do not bend your head inside. Do not curl the head inside. Keep pushing the abdomen down. You will feel the stretch on the back of the knees, but keep the knees tightened. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out. Bring the arms down and relax in Dandasana. Relax. Now we'll go for counter posture. Inverted plank posture. Now very slowly place the palms behind, fingers pointing behind. Ground the palms nicely. Ground the heels nicely. Slight difference between the feet. Tighten the knees and breathe in and lift the pelvis up and relax your head back. Tighten the knees. Push your pelvis up as much as possible. Stretch the toes out. Breathe out and very slowly come back. Relax. Now very slowly come back to Sthiti. We'll go for Vajrasana, diamond posture. Come back to Sthiti. Bend the right leg from right side. Left, sit on it and left leg from left side. If this is difficult for you, you can bring both the legs from the same side and sit in between the heels. You have to sit in between the heels and toes should not overlap on each other. They are separated. If this is difficult, place the pillow and sit. Or you can place a towel below your ankle joint as well. Okay, so relax. Palms on the knees, straighten your back, your head, neck and your back are in one single line. Open your shoulders, open the chest. Now close your eyes, palms on the knees and relax. In the final posture, always breathe in and breathe out normally. Deep breathing and breathe out. Very slowly open your eyes. We'll go for Marichasana. Very gently what you have to do is lift your pelvis up and place it to the left side. Very gently sit on the left side. Both your legs are on your right side. Now slowly take the right hand back. Place it behind you. Left hand on the right knee. Breathe in and straighten the back and breathe out and twist. Push the right shoulder back. Breathe in and release the arms and untwist. Breathe out, sit back in the center. Now very slowly lift your pelvis and sit on the right side. Both your legs are on the left side. Take the left hand back, right hand on the left knee. Breathe in and straighten the back and breathe out and twist. Push the left shoulder back. Turn your head and look at back side. Breathe in and release the arms. Sit back, relax. Now very slowly separate the knees slightly. Sit in between the heels. Okay. We'll go for Shashankasana. If you are comfortable with Shashankasana, you can keep the knees together, no issues. For those who are doing it for the first time, separate the knees. Now, I'll sit in the side. Now very slowly breathe in and raise the arms up. Straighten your body. Breathe out and gently go forward. See, keep the head up, chin up. Bring the abdomen down. Now very slowly, when you feel comfortable, release the head on the ground. Now very slowly breathing. Bring the arms on the back. Make fist with the right hand. Hold the right wrist with the left. And relax the arms on the back. Now very slowly relax your forehead on the ground. Close your eyes. Release all your stress and tensions to the ground. Let all your worries flow down to the ground. Relax. Breathe in and very slowly release the arms. Extend the arms above your head. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out. Bring the arms down. Relax. We'll go for Ushtrasana. Right now, very slowly come on your knees. What you can do is, if it is difficult for you to stand on your knees, you can place a pillow and stand on it. I'm going to place the pillow obliquely, slightly, so that I have enough distance. Okay. Now, place the toes on the ground nicely. Heel up, toes on the ground. Now very slowly breathe out. Bring the palms and place them on your lower back. Open your shoulders. Look straight. Now very slowly we are going for Ardha Ushtrasana, half camel posture. Now very slowly breathe in and extend your neck. Extend the chest and then extend the abdomen. Now push the hips forward and extend back. Curl back as much as possible. Relax your neck. You can close your eyes if you want. Breathe out and come up. If this posture is easy for you, gently release the arms. Release the toes. I'll take off the pillow. Release the toes. Slight difference between the heels. Now very slowly breathe in and go back and gently release the palms. Place the palms on your feet and push the hips forward. Breathe out and very slowly come up. Breathe in, breathe out and sit back. Relax. Now once again, very slowly come on your knees. Once again, place the toes on the ground. If you have knee related issues, any knee problems or anything, place the pillow below the knee. Okay. It will give you a cushioning and a little bit of height as well, which will give you more extension. We'll go for Parighasana. Very gently extend the right leg to right side. Left toes on the ground. Now, your left knee and your right toes should be in one single line. If your leg is front, bring it back in line with the knee. If it is back, bring it front. Make sure it is in the single line. Now, straighten your body. Place the right hand on the right leg. Breathe in and take the left hand above your head and stretch. Lift the spine up. Tighten the right knee. And breathe out and very slowly go down towards the extended leg, towards the right side. Go down as much as possible, stretch. If you can, very slowly go down a little bit more and stretch. Breathe in and come up. Stretch and breathe out. Breathe in and bring the arms to the shoulder level, palm down and breathe out. Bring the leg back, relax. Counter posture, very slowly extend the left leg towards the left side. Once again, make sure left toes and your knee are in one single line. Tighten the left knee. Place the left hand on the left leg. Breathe in and take the right hand to the shoulder level. Palm up, breathe out and take the arm up. Stretch and breathe in. Breathe out and very slowly go down towards the left side. Now, as much as possible, do not stretch too much. Okay? Keep the arm straight, keep the elbow straight. Tighten the knee. Do not bend the knee. If you can, very slowly go down. Breathe in and come up. Stretch and breathe out. Breathe in the arm to the shoulder level, palm down and breathe out. Relax and bring the leg back. Release the toes and sit back. Remove the pillow. Relax. Now very slowly we'll go for releasing the legs one by one. If possible from both the sides, if not from one side. Now gently release the right leg, release the left leg and relax. Very slowly come to standing posture. We'll go for Tadasana first. Toes pointed forward, slight difference between the feet. Tighten the knees. Straighten your back, open your shoulders, relax your arms by the side of the body. Fingers pointing down, lift your chin up slightly. You can close your eyes if you are comfortable, or else always for the standing postures keep the eyes open for any posture for that matter. And for all sitting and lying down postures, you can close your eyes in the final posture. Stand straight, Tadasana. Tighten the knees. Your weight should be on the heels slightly. Now very slowly, breathe out, interlock the fingers in the front and bring the palms out. Straighten your arms. Now very gently breathe in and take the arms up. Lift the spine up. Tighten the elbows. Try to bring the arms by the side of the ears and stretch it out. Lift the spine up. Tighten the knees. Enjoy this stretch. Breathe out. Bring the arms down. Relax. Relax. We'll go for this posture once more and we'll do some twisting for our back. Very slowly, interlock the fingers again, palms out. Breathe in and arms up, lift the spine up, tighten your knees. Breathe out and twist towards the right side. Try to keep the hips front and twist. Breathe out and twist. Breathe in, breathe out and twist towards left side. Tighten the knees. Breathe out and untwist. Breathe in, stretch, breathe out, bring the arms down and relax. Relax. Now very slowly we'll go for Trikonasana again. Triangle posture, come into back end of the mat and bring the right leg forward, 4 feet in front of you. Make sure the left heel is out, left toes are slightly inside, right toes pointing front, legs in the same line. Okay. Tighten the knees. I'm going to be a little bit oblique so that you can watch me properly. Tighten both the knees. Upper body straight. Breathe in and arms up. Arms should be in one single line. Open your shoulders. Stretch. Arms at shoulder level. One straight line. Now very slowly breathe out and bring the right hand towards the right leg. Go down as much as it is comfortable. What you can do is fold the left hand and keep it on your hips. Now very slowly go down. Place the palm wherever it is comfortable. Your weight should not be on your right palm. Okay, just place it wherever it is comfortable. See, my hand is loose. Just straight. Now very slowly breathing and extend the left hand. Now the left hand should come in a straight line with your right. Extend it up, stretch. Now very slowly turn your head and look at your left palm. Trikonasana or triangle posture. Now very slowly breathe in and come up. Breathe out, bring the arms down, bring the leg back. Relax. Counter posture. Stand straight. take left leg 4 feet in front of you. Tighten both the knees. Okay. Breathe in and arms up. Now bend the right hand, place it by the hips. Now very slowly breathe out. Take the left hand towards the left foot. And breathe in and extend the right hand above your head. Turn your head and look at your right palm. Breathe in and come up. Breathe out. Bring the arms down. Bring the leg back. Relax. Always when you are doing any postures, make sure that you are self-checking the points. Okay? The points whichever I am going to say, I won't be able to check how you are doing. But yes, remember the technicalities a little bit, then you will be on the right path. It is not mandatory to get everything 100% right in first go. But try to manage the technicalities as much as possible. Yes, you will reach to the perfection in no time. We'll go for Virabhadrasana, warrior posture, warrior 2 first. Now very slowly bring the right leg forward again, 4 feet in front of you. Now very slowly bend the right knee. Check my posture, knee is 90 degree. If it is difficult for you to bend the knee, bend as much as possible. It is fine. It is not mandatory that the thigh should come to parallel to the ground. That will come by practice. But now, for now, if it is difficult for you to bring the thigh down, go down too much, but make sure that your knee and your heel are in one single line. And your left heel is out. Okay? Check, left heel is out. Tighten the knee. Tighten the left knee. Knee 90 degree. Knee and the heel on one single line. Now very slowly turn to the front, arms by the side of the body. Breathe in and arms up. Lift the right hand straight, right hand and left hand in one straight posture. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Turn your head and look at your right palm. Breathe in and straighten the knee. Breathe out. Bring the arms down. Bring the leg back. Relax. Counter posture. Take the left leg forward. Push the heel out. Breathe out. Bend the knee. Check the posture always. The key points in every asana. For this, the knee. Knee and the heel should always be on the same line. And breathe in and extend the arms up. Open your shoulders. Open the chest. Arms at one single straight line at shoulder level. Turn your head, look at your left palm, tighten the right knee. Breathe out, bring the arms down, straighten the knee, bring the leg back. Relax, relax. Now very slowly, come to sitting posture. How do we sit? We fold the palms, separate the legs slightly, and come down. Come down as much as possible. If it is difficult, hold it here. But we should always push ourselves for the excellence. Now extend the arms in the front. Breathe in and take the arms up. Lift the spine up. Keep looking up. Aim at where you want to be. Breathe out. Bring the arms down. Now without taking any support, sit back. I know it is difficult, but try. Relax. Now very gently, lie down on your back. We'll go for some abdomen core building stretches. Relax. Tighten the right leg. Breathe out, tighten the abdomen and lift the right leg to 30 degrees and hold. Breathe out, bring the leg down to the ground, relax. Once again, tighten the knees. Breathe out, tighten the abdomen. Lift the right leg to 60 degrees and hold. Keep stretching the toes out. Breathe in and bring the legs down to the ground. Relax. Once again, tighten the knees. Breathe out. Lift the right leg to 90 degrees and hold. Tighten both the knees. Stretch both the toes. Breathe in and bring the leg down to the ground. Relax. Left leg. Breathe out and lift the left leg to 30 degrees and hold. Breathe out. Bring the leg down to the ground. Relax. Once again, tighten the knees. Breathe out and lift the left leg to 60 degrees and hold. Breathe in and bring the leg down to the ground. Relax. Once again, tighten the knees, tighten the abdomen. Breathe out and lift the left leg to 90 degrees and hold. Tighten both the knees. Breathe in and bring the leg down to the ground. Relax. Now both legs together. Tighten the knees, tighten the abdomen. Stretch the toes out. Breathe out and lift both the legs to 30 degrees and hold. Breathe in and bring the legs down to the ground. Relax. Once again, tighten the knees, tighten the abdomen. Breathe out and lift the legs to 60 degrees and hold. Breathe in and bring the legs down to the ground. Relax. Once again, tighten the knees, tighten the abdomen. Breathe out and lift both the legs to 90 degrees and hold. Breathe in and bring the legs down to the ground. Relax. Now very slowly extend the arms at the shoulder level. Join both the legs, tighten the knees. Breathe out and lift both the legs to 90 degrees. Now very slowly breathe out, bend the knees. Keep the knees at 90 degrees. Breathe in, breathe out and twist and bring the legs towards the right side. Turn your head to the left. Close your eyes and relax. Relax your back, relax your thighs, relax your feet on the ground. Breathe in and bring the legs back in the center. Breathe out and twist and bring the legs towards the left side. Turn your head to the right. Relax. Close your eyes. Relax your back. Relax your thighs. Relax your feet on the ground. Breathe in and bring the legs back in the center. Breathe out and straighten the legs. Breathe in and bring the legs down to the ground. Bring the arms by the side of the body. Relax. Now very slowly extend the right hand above your head and turn to right side. Now very gently bend the left leg. With your left hand, with the index finger and middle finger, make them like a hook and hold the big toe from the front. Remember, always hold the leg from the front. Now tighten the right leg and breathe in and straighten the left leg. Stretch. Now try to keep the leg in the center. Do not overextend the leg. Keep the leg in the center. Breathe out, bend the knee, release the leg. Relax. Lie down on your back. Now very slowly extend the left hand above your head. Turn to left side. Breathe out, bend the right leg. Hold the big toe and breathe in and straighten the leg. Stretch. Keep the leg, both the knees tightened. Breathe out, bend the knee, release the leg. Lie down on your back, bring the hand back. Relax, lie down in Shavasana. Close your eyes. We'll go for quick relaxation technique. Relax. Now very gently curl the toes inside the feet and tighten your toes. Tighten your feet. Tighten the calf muscles. Pull the kneecaps up and tighten your knees. Tighten the thighs, squeeze the thighs. Tighten your buttocks. Tighten the lower back. Tighten the upper back. Make fist with the palms and tighten your fists. Tighten the forearm. Tighten the upper arm. Tighten your shoulders. Squeeze your face tightly. Squeeze the face. Tighten the scalp muscles. Tighten the neck. Tighten your chest. Breathe out and tighten your abdomen. Whole of your body is tight. Tighter, still more tight. And release. Relax. Relax your toes. Relax your feet. Relax your calf muscles and your knees. Relax your thighs and your buttocks. Relax your lower back and your abdomen. Relax your upper back and your chest. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms, elbows and your fingers. Relax your neck. Relax your face. Soften your face. Have a smile on the face. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyelids. Relax your chin and your ears. Every time you breathe out, Relax. Relax. Concentrate on your breathing. Observe how you breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Very gently become aware of your surroundings. Move your toes a little. Move your fingers a little. Lift your right arm above your head and gently lie down on your side. Relax on your side. Very slowly, with the support of both the arms, come to a sitting posture. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your shoulders, relax your face. Have a smile on the face. Come to Namaskar Mudra. Breathe in and Omkara. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Go down and come up. Gently rub your palms against each other. Produce some warmth. Place the palms on your eyes and relax your eyes. Give slight massage to your face and with blinks open your eyes. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed today's session. Let us meet again tomorrow, same time at 5 to 6 o'clock. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening.